Hi. Uh, Many people still want to use an old version of Skype. Uh, Actually, I'm one of them because I like the old version. I'm not a favorite of the new one. On this video, I will show you how to get the old version of Skype from the official Skype website. Then I will show you how to use a translator on the old version of Skype. It's a little bit tricky, but we will see how it works. First, we need to download Skype by going to Skype website. As you can see, we type here Skype, and this is the website you need to go to. You click here. On the top here, we go to downloads. Click on that one. We go down a little bit on this page, and we will see this blue section, this area. It says get Skype from store, but we're not gonna get it from the store. We will click on the arrow there, and we will choose get classic Skype. Okay, get classic Skype. If we click on this one, it will start to download Skype straight away. I'm not gonna do it because I have it already, the old version of Skype. After we download it, let me close this page, and we will go to Skype to see how to use the translation on the old version of Skype. I'm already signed on Skype here, and once we sign on, we will see something new on the list. It's called Skype Translator. Can you see this? What we're gonna do with this one, it's we're gonna create something like group. For example, I will make a call or I will send a message to this lady. She is in Russia. So I will double click on her name. Now I want to send a message to her. I am in English, and I want her to read it in Russian language. First, what I have to do, I have to bring this guy, Skype Translator. Let me move it a little bit like this. So we want to click this to our conversation. By clicking here, conversation on the top here, and click on add people. Click here. Then we will select Skype Translator, and we will click create group. It will open a new page. Now if you look at the previous page, it's me and the lady only. But if we look at the new page, it's, let me make it large a little bit like this. Now we are me, Skype Translator, and the lady. So it's two people there. Not as before, it's only and her. No, now we have someone else. It's called Skype Translator. And the system already, it's recognized my language and her language. If we go down here, do not change anything. As you can see, it's sending message to her in Russian. It's telling her that you now using Skype Translator. So, for example, if I send message to say hi, you see, it's in the Russian language. Then when she replied to me in the Russian language, it will come to me in English. This is how we use a translator. But keep in mind that let me close the other page because we're not gonna chat on it or use anything on it now. But keep in mind this conversation and this group, it will come here. If you go to recent here, you will see something it's called Skype Translator and the lady's name. Even when we close the page, this one, it will remain there. So we can use it in the future. Or if you choose to right click and leave the conversation, so you're not gonna have translated in the future until you do the same steps again. You go to the page, a normal page, and you click on conversation, and you click on add people, and you add Skype Translator. This is how you use a translation on text. It's a little bit tricky, but it's I can see it's not that tricky. It's as people say, it's tricky, but I can see it's straightforward. Let me do it again one more time so you can see what we will do. You will choose the person, and you know this person, it's in a different language than your language. You click on conversation, add people, and you choose Skype Translator. Choose this one and create group. It will open a new page, which is it's including Skype Translator. It's in our conversation. Okay. Here, this is the old page. I will close the old page. I'll come here and I will say, how are you, for example. Let us see what's going to happen. Scroll down a little bit. You see, it's being translated into a Russian language. This is how to use Skype translated in all the Skype version. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will answer it straight away. Thank you. Goodbye.